Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane. Today we're having a look at Ontology Gas. Ontology Gas is one of the two crypto assets that powers the Ontology blockchain. This is a business-focused, high-performance that can handle many transactions at once. Blockchain that focuses on solving problems like identity security. Now, impressively, Ontology Gas actually came into existence in the middle of 2018. This was in June, when the Ontology project launched its mainnet or transitioned from using another blockchain such as Neo to its own native blockchain. So one, it's impressive that it's been around since 2018. But what's even more impressive is that this is not the first time that Ontology Gas has actually hit the $1 mark. After its release, it was actually around the $1 mark. But quite impressively, for a short period of time, very short period of time, in September of 2018, it actually reached an all-time high of $2.72. Now, interestingly, despite the recent hype around Ontology Gas, it's gotten really close to $2.70 again. It's gotten $2.51. It's quite close. But it's fair to say it's been a really long time since it's reached these numbers specifically. So that begs the question, there must be a reason why. Because a crypto like this, 1 billion in max supply, 285 million in circulating supply. Now this isn't the first time this year that Ontology Gas has surged. Since earlier this year in February, it's been on an upward trend. And around April, I think it saw some really impressive numbers just above $1.36. This is really impressive because it was following the rest of the market. And once again, the crypto market is going back up. Bitcoin has recently hit 50,000 US dollars once again, although in the last day or so, the price has fallen back down to around 48 grand. But nevertheless, the crypto market has been on an upward trend for the last month. It's been really impressive just to watch. Needless to say, once again, Ontology Gas has taken advantage in this space, in this action. Now, Ontology Gas is specifically the utility token on the Ontology network. ONG is mainly used for on-chain services like doing transactions or paying for the development of smart contracts. ONG also receives a unbounded to holders ONT based on holding ratio to incentivize ONT staking. Putting it simply, in the case it's processing where ONT tokens are locked to earn ONG rewards. Quite impressively. And Ontology Gas is not the only company to have a secondary token to be a bit more useful on a daily basis for transactions purposes. Now this year, one of the biggest crypto hypes was probably around May. Now, the Ontology network on the 20th of May this year announced huge staking rewards, over 40 APY ONT tokens. Now, this pushes the Ontology Gas token to all new heights, from around 47 cents to all new heights of $1.13, nearly rallying 140%. Now, ONG, on the other hand, was trading at $1. So this was quite impressive because you got to understand 40% APY means that any amount that you invest after a year, you're looking to gain around 40% in value of that token and staking rewards. And very few crypto projects, crypto coins actually allow you to reap such huge rewards in token. Ontology Gas is one of the few. Now, the main Ontology token itself is currently sitting at $1.15. The max supply is 1 billion. Circulating supply is 875 million. This is huge, but let's not forget that there was also a time when this token was worth over $10 back in 2018 May. Now, in the Ontology ecosystem, Ontology coin, that's the ONT, gives ONT holders two major things: governance right, have a say in things that change in the network, and have your say into the direction that the network is going into in the future. Staking rewards as well. By staking or locking up your ONT, you contribute to the security of the network by helping verify transactions. In return, the network grants you And on the other hand, you can think of Ontology gas as a toll fee to use the Ontology highway or network. In this way, it's similar to gas on Ethereum, but instead of paying in the main cryptocurrency, ONT, like you would with Ethereum paying in Ethereum, the Ontology networks makes you pay for the network usage, making a transaction using a separate token, ONG. But I do think that strategically, these tokens, they don't have the same value because they're used for different things. Therefore, why do they have the same amount of supply? For Ontology gas is 1 billion. For the main Ontology token, it's also 1 billion. This makes the token undervalued in my opinion. People might see that this is the main token, but the Ontology gas is actually used a lot more, which makes sense because the price is a lot higher. You use it on a daily basis for so many things. But will they use the Ontology token all the time? No. So I do think that this token should have a lot less supply, giving it more value in the space of cryptocurrency. Sort of like how Bitcoin has a low supply to keep the price high. And to make sure that it's scarce, to make sure that it's rare, to make sure that it's more desirable, it's more valuable. I think that they should have taken a similar direction with Ontology. But I suspect that they have their reasons for why the token supplies are the exact same. Similar, completely separate supplies, of course, completely separate tokens, but the same exact supply. Now, this gives us a good opportunity to predict if this cryptocurrency can 10x. Can this cryptocurrency actually achieve the price of $15 one day? Now, that'd be in the 10x mark. That'd be mightily impressive. Now, when I say one day, I mean in like 5 years, when gas fees on Ethereum become even more expensive, when using gas, using a separate token is even more valuable, a time when it makes a lot more sense. This token value could be unmatched in its other competitors. So I think this token definitely has a lot of potential because of its utility, the 40% API per year. That's incredible. Because for a brief period of time, it already broke $2. The real question that I have on my mind is, can this token break $2 again? That's the real question I have in my mind. More importantly, can it do this before the end of the year? I think it's possible because right now it stands at a price of around 62 cents away from breaking $2 again. Yesterday, on the 23rd of August, I'm making this video today on the 24th. Yesterday, the price was just under $1 at 96 cents, and the price has now risen by almost 40 cents in just less than 1 day. So can it achieve $2 before the end of this year? Yes, definitely. That's definitely possible. Will it do this? I can't guarantee it. We'll have to wait to see. That's the exciting thing about crypto. At this moment, we don't know if Ontology gas is going to reach $2 by the end of this year. We honestly don't even know if Bitcoin is going to hit $50,000 once again. It did it a couple of days ago, and then the price dropped back down. We don't know if Ethereum is going to go back to $3,000, 3,500. We really don't know what's going to happen in the crypto space by the end of this year, but it's actually exciting to sit in the market and just watch it and predict these things. So I do hope you've enjoyed my video. I do hope that you now understand what Ontology gas is, and I hope that you'll return for more videos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know, did I miss anything? You can follow us on Twitter as well because we're really active on Twitter in the crypto community. Share this video with a friend or a family member if you think that they'll find these videos useful.